Hello, my name is Lilia Cifuentes, and this is my Technology Integration Unit project, Animal Needs and Characteristics. The technology that my students will use when completing this project are an iPad, QR codes and QR readers, and the app Blabberize. I chose to model my lesson after the 5E model because it is based on the constructivist approach to learning, which enables students to construct new meanings on top of their old ideas. The 5Es describe the phases of learning, and they are engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. The intended audience for our project are my second grade students at Sam Houston Elementary. This project will take 5 days to complete and will require 45 minutes each day. The objective of this project is that the student will create a presentation using Blabberize to describe and explain the characteristics and animal needs of the chosen animal. The standard techniques for this project are 2.9a and 2.10a. The learner will identify the basic needs of plants and animals and observe, record, and compare their physical characteristics. Under Technology 2.2a, the learner will use communication tools that allow for anytime, anywhere access to interact, collaborate, or publish with peers locally and globally. On Monday, we have Engage. Students will work in their table groups and will need one iPad per group. On each table, there will be a QR code that when scanned will show students an animal in their habitat. Students will then have 5 minutes to discuss and answer questions with their group about the animal. When the 5 minutes are over, the students will rotate to the next table and see the next animal. This rotation will continue until students have visited all tables. At the end of the rotations, the teacher will lead a whole class discussion about each animal, answering the same questions that guided students in their small group. On Tuesday, we have Explore. Students will take a field trip to the Gladys Porter Zoo in Brownsville to explore animals. While walking through the zoo, students will take pictures of the animals they find interesting using an iPad. Students will need to select one animal and describe its characteristics, habitat, and needs. Wednesday, Explain. Students will use the internet to research the animal they chose and its characteristics, needs, and habitat. They will make connections between their initial description and the information they discovered with their research. Thursday, Elaborate. Students will use the iPad to create a presentation on the app Blabberize. In their presentation, students will need to include the name of the animal, unique characteristics, habitat, and its needs. They will also need to explain how their animal descriptions changed after having done their research. Friday, Evaluate. Students will present their blabber to the whole class. Students will then take notes in their science journal of the animal and 2 facts they learned about each animal. As you can see, the 5-year model lesson plan and its 5 phases are based on constructivism, where learning occurs in stages. Thank you for your time and your attention.